Hey guys, in this video we'll compare the newly launched Moto One Power against the Zenfone Max Pro in a speed test. The Zenfone Max Pro is one of the best budget phones with Snapdragon 636, a massive 5000 mAh battery and near stock Android. I have the 6GB RAM variant of this phone, which is priced at 15,000 rupees. The Moto One Power is quite similar to the Zenfone in terms of specs, with the same Snapdragon 636 processor, 5000 mAh battery and stock Android UI. It's priced at 16,000 rupees and only has 4GB of RAM, but brings USB Type-C, turbocharger and support for 5GHz Wi-Fi, which are missing in the Zenfone. So let's do a 20 app speed test to see whether the 2GB of extra RAM on the Zenfone makes a difference or not. Right off the bat, both phones are going at the same speed with slight back and forth happening here and there. Zenfone loaded Asphalt Extreme slightly faster. Both are again back to the same level on IMDb. Subway Surfers loaded faster on the Zenfone. Temple Run again loaded faster on the Zenfone, and now it's ahead by one app. The Zenfone lead is increasing. Zenfone finishes the first round in 1 minute 32 seconds, while Moto loads the camera app, which is taking quite some time to load. Moto One Power finishes exactly 10 seconds later at 1 minute 42 seconds. Moving on to the memory management round, Zenfone is already 6 apps ahead. Both are loading apps from the memory at the same speed. But now, Moto is starting to reload apps, starting with Book My Show, which means it was only able to hold 9 to 10 apps in memory. Not bad for a phone with 4GB of RAM, but I expected more. While the Moto One Power loads Subway Surfers, Zenfone is done with the speed test with a time of 2 minutes 8 seconds. It only took 35 seconds to finish the second round, and it had all the apps in memory, which is very impressive. Zenfone continues to dominate the budget segment with its amazing performance. I was expecting the Zenfone to dominate the second round, but not by this much margin. I was also expecting the first round to be very close, but even there the Zenfone dominated mainly due to faster game loading speed as well as much faster camera loading speed. Hopefully Motorola can improve the overall speed of this phone with future software updates, as the hardware in both the phones is near identical. Moto One Power finally finishes the second round 50 seconds later. Conclusion time. Yes, both phones have a lot in common, but when it comes to day-to-day performance, Zenfone definitely has an upper hand here. Zenfone completely dominated the Moto One Power and is the clear winner of this speed test. Alright, that's it for the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel down below. Thanks for watching.